So hey friends, good morning and welcome to today's vlog. So I already took a shower. It is already 10. I woke up like, what time was it? Kasi may work today si Ruki. So like nung umalis siya, mga 7, around 7. So I already was up and about. So I already took a shower so that hindi na ako mag-shower later. Ayun, so because I'm planning to make a lumpia today. Yeah, that's so exciting. Kasi gusto namin kumain ng lumpia Shanghai, to be specific, lumpia Shanghai. So nag-grocery kami kagabi and now it's already 10. I need to start kasi babalik na si Ruki mga 1 o'clock. So I only got like 3 hours na lang. And then I'll also be making pancit. Yeah, simple lang na pancit. Kasi lang masyado ingredient. So here's, sorry for the scratchy voice. So here's my ingredient. Ito lang yung binili namin na 80% lean. Mas maganda na at least may 20% na fat. Na this is pork by the way. So sibuyas, garlic, carrots. Yeah. Yan lang yung ihalo ko sa aking lumpia Shanghai, sa aking meat. And then I also got a cabbage. Kasi yun nga sabi ko, magluluto din ako ng pancit. But since yung snap peas, ang mahal-mahal, tapos ang liliit, so hindi na ako bumili. So my ingredients for my pancit only is going to be this carrot, cabbage, ayan. Tos, I also got this soy sauce. You need to try this one. This soy sauce, guys. If you are here in Japan, better try this one. This is amazing soy sauce. And so I also got, let's go here. Sorry for the clutter here on our refrigerator. That is the situation. But ito yung pancit na ganyan lang for pang yakisoba. Tapos may half cooked shrimp na din ako para mas mabilis. And then sabi ni Ruki, i-add ko din to yung parang shrimp na meatballs. So ayan, simple lang ating pansit. I'm gonna start now kasi it's already 10 and para matapos na din ako by the time na dumating din si Ruki. So yeah. Hi guys, we're back. We're back and I'm going to wrap my lumpia na already done mixing everything. So here's my mixture and then of course my lumpia wrappers. Ayan. So I also have water here para sa pang-close sa ating lumpia. So let's get started. So make sure pala guys before you start na naka-separate na yung ano nyo, yung wrapper nyo. Hindi ko pa siya na-separate, so isa-separate ko muna sila. So ito na yung triangle natin. So, I'm just going to place it here. Like, simple lang naman. I think everybody knows how to do lumpia, diba? So, I'm just going to get so our water and today Ayan, tapos ko na sa wakas. Marap ang aking lumpia and it's almost 12. I need to hustle kasi darating na si Rookie. And before that, I'm going to cook my pancit first. So, here's the ingredients for my pancit. Very simple lang kasi wala nang... Nung nagpunta kami sa grocery, walang masyadong ingredients. So, ayan lang. Yun nga, cabbage, yung pancit na yakisoba, shrimp, and yan. Basta ganito lang. Very simple pancit. By the way, guys, I will be using sesame oil for my pancit. Kasi para mas siya, malasa. Iba yung taste niya. And also, I will be using olive oil, extra virgin olive oil as well. Let's cook our lumpia. Ayan. Not too much, malakas yung heat. Kasi, maluluto agad yung wrapper. Tapos yung sa loob, hindi maluluto. So, tamang apoy lang. Not too high. Ayan. Yay! And my carrot's almost done. It's almost ready. Just check if nag-brown na yung I'm gonna try like double frying it para yung sa Korean style, yung style ng Korea ng pagpa-fry nila is they double fry para mas crispy. So I'm gonna try that. So pag konti-konti lang, I'm gonna wait a little na mag-brown and then I'm gonna tanggalin ko siya dito sa oil and then I'm gonna double dip it. Yan. This is what we are looking for, etong kulay ng wrapper na pagkaluto. So I'm just going to let this sit a little and then I'm going to wait for the oil to yung hindi masyadong mainit and then we are going to put this back to the oil or sa ating pan. I'm gonna put this back to our pan. Ito double fry natin. Yan. That is how you do it. Yeah. So that it will be crispy for a long time. Yeah. Okay. So guys, naluto ko na ang aking lumpia at ito na. Pero mamaya na natin titikman pag andito na si Rocky. Sabay namin titikman pala. Here's my pancit. Luto na. Nandito na din si Rocky. Ayan na. We're ready to eat. Ayan. So, bibigyan ko si Lota nito. Ayan. So, yummy looking. Let's do the test. Ayan. Tikman na ni Rocky. Uy, dali. Ayaw, tanaw dali. So, how's the taste, bro?
May amoy?
Ay, kapoy. Di ko ganananan sa mana.
Amoy kulang.
Nubos na niya. Buang. To eat. Ang sarap ng pansit ng lumpia. Yay! Kain na tayo with coffee na wala pang water. Itadakimasu. So now, it's time to eat the pansit and the lumpia with the Rookie. Pero doon lang siya. Ayaw na makita. Ayaw. Flexing. Dapat ganyan talaga nakaupo pag kumakain ng ganito, Filipino foods. And then yung sausawan ko is suka because nobody beats suka. Sa kanya sweet and sour lang ang sweet and sour na mapaka nakataste. Magkape muna tayo pang pagising sa umaga. Hindi na umaga, 12 na. Ito yung mga kalat ni Rookie. Yan yung bagong bahay ni Melvin kasi winter na, malamig na. Kailangan niya ng panibagong bahay kasi ito yung bahay niya. Kawawa naman, karton. Yan yung looban. May may towel. Ayan. And then, hindi yan maglalas pag malamig na, pag nag-snow na. Uy. So, hello friends. It is the next day, by the way. Hindi ko na natapos ang aking vlog. Yesterday, it's because parang dalawang movie yung pinanood namin ni Rookie, and also I had red wine. Kaya hindi ko na, parang I got sleepy na din after noon, and then a little dizzy, na, di ba? So, yun, hindi ko na natapos. So, I'm just going to quickly finish that vlog today. But before that, nagpunta pala ako ng Daiso because I am so excited for the Christmas decors this year sa Daiso. So, meron naman na ako from last year, but I wanted to add something. Tapos wala din akong wreath. Kaya, yun, basta yun, I needed something. Yeah, and then I'm gonna quickly show to you what I got from Daiso. So before anything else pala, before I forgot, somebody asked me to make a shout out. So yun, shout out. Yeah, shout out. Yeah, naging awkward pa si ate. So I just wanted to make a quick shout out to Jomari Pegok. Sabi niya, ate, pa-shout out po. Thank you so much Jomari for watching my video. Yeah, for supporting this channel. I hope na nakasubscribe ka na sa aking channel, Jomari. So thank you so much and hi to you. I hope everything is well. Keep safe there with your family. Sana healthy lahat. So yeah, thank you so much. So yun nga guys, I'm gonna quickly show to you yung nakuha natin sa Daiso, or yung binili ko pala sa Daiso. So eto yung aking bag, malaking bag. Bakit ganito? Bakit ito yung binili kong bag, ang laki-laki? I think parang may binili din ako mahaba, yung parang ginamit na namin ni Rookie, yung ginamit namin sa ni Melvin sa bahay. So, here we go. Konti lang naman to guys. So, since it is already the cold season, parang I need to change my my garland, something sa aking video, kasi I wanted to do a video. Tingnan niyo naman, eto pa rin yung nasa background ko guys, diba? Yung yung sakura. Pero so pretty, pero it's not na timely, na hindi na siya bagay sa season. So I bought this one, yung parang eto, yung parang hindi na makikita. Ayoko din kunin yung leaves. Ayan. Yung sa autumn leaves na, yung parang ganito na leaves na ba to? Garland pala, garland. Ganitong kulay, yung weathered. Yung parang nalaya, o yung sa Tagalog. Nalaya. I-google nyo na lang, parang sa ganitong kulay ng garland. And then, yun nga, kasi sabi ko, wala akong wreath, so bumili ako ng wreath. Ito yung itsura niya. So freaking cute. And then, ito pala, yung yung may pine tree na Santa. Ayan, cute. This is 200 yen. And lang siya, LED, parang may ilaw sa loob yata. Tapos yung battery is like LRR, yung maliit na Bumili din ako ng battery dito. Nasa yung battery. I'm gonna show you the battery. Oh, where is it? Eto pala. Eto yung battery din niya. Ganyan yung battery niya. Nito. Diba? So cute. 200 yen lang to. Diba? Marami pang mga chichibureche doon talaga. These ornaments, kasi yun nga, I wanted to change that one kasi nakasakura pa siya, diba? No? Nakasakura pa. So, in time for the season, I chose these ornaments kasi parang ano na din siya, perfect sa yung white Christmas, yung snowy Christmas. Tapos, ang tawag niya. Kasi pag red, parang masyado, although I love red and green for Christmas, but dito kasi may snow, tapos white, yun, tapos parang New Year na din yung feeling, kaya eto yung yung silvery ganyan. Parang yung theme namin last, what year ba yun? Yung Christmas tree namin is yung silver, tsaka blue na theme. Tapos eto, yan. O, diba? So pretty, ganyan lang siya. Simple lang, ganyan. Tapos, I also saw, naghanap ako. At first, I decided na yung vase na yung paglalagyan ko. But, I was so happy to find this one. To find. Yan, so perfect together. Ito yung vase na to. This is, 300 yen pala to. Tapos ganyan, lalagay kong ganyan. Diba? Bongga, bagay na bagay. Ganyan. Thankfully, nakita ko siya. Kasi nagpunta kami sa malaking Daiso. Hindi yung Daiso na malapit dito sa amin. So, this is 300 yen. Tapos, eto pala, of course, tag 100 yen each. Ayan. And then, what else? Christmas lights. Ayan, eto. Naglalabasan sila pag Christmas string light. Ayan, this is 60 lights, parang yung sa akin yung akin before din. So this is 300 yen, mahaba kasi to 650 centimeter. Tapos I also got another string light, which is this one, yung lang to, 10 lights, pero siya, stars. Yan. 10 lang, pero lang, stars naman yung may yeah. And this is battery operated triple A. Hindi pala. My bad. AA lang pala na na battery. So very easy to find na battery, like ganito. This is AA battery, di ba? Yan. Battery. And then I also, what else? I also got Melvin a treat. Cat treat. Ayan. And then, oh my gosh guys, nagpunta ako sa makeup section doon ng Daiso, and there are a lot of makeup actually. I was tempted, pero I decided not to get pero yun nga, gusto ko sanang bilhin yung most of it, pero wag muna, not now, kasi I'm planning to do a haul or something, or a makeup video about new makeups na available sa Daiso, pero that's why I decided wag muna ngayon. But still, I got a few from there, yung something na nakakot lang talaga ng eyes ko. Tapos eto, yun, ayan, eto siya guys, diba? It's so lovely. Ang ganda-ganda. Grabe. Ang ganda. Ito yung una kong nakita. I don't know if you could able to tell yung color. Sana nakikita nyo how pretty this is. Dito, oh my gosh. Ayan. And then the other one is yung ito, yung colorful. Ewan ko kung saan yung iba nito. Kasi yung ito lang, isa na lang din to, tapos isa na lang din to. So, ewan ko kung may other, night out, tsaka sand. Ito night out, tapos ito sand naman. Tapos hindi ko alam kung may iba pang variety. Kasi yun nga, ito nakita ko sa may nail polish, tapos ito sa may eyeshadow section, pero wala siyang ibang kasama. I don't know. Tapos, of course, these are made from China. Lahat naman siguro nowadays are made from China. Kansai collection. This is called the Kansai collection. Kansai, yeah. Ayan, so happy and excited to use this one. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga colors, especially ito. Diba, bongge? Ang bongge. And then, last but not the least is M&M. Surprised? M&M. Kasi I wanted to eat M&M. And then, hindi pala last yung M&M. Nail polish. Army green color. I don't know kung nakikita ba or yung true color nito. Pero arm green. Ayan, this is so pretty. I'm excited. Gusto ko tong brand na to from Daiso. I think nothing else. Tapos na tayo sa ating haul. Yun lang naman yung mga napamili ko sa Daiso, guys. Yung mga, yeah, I think that's all it. And then, I think I'm gonna say goodnight na din as well because this has been a long video. 9 minutes na yung pagsasalita ko just with this haul with the Daiso. So, I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always, everyone. And please stay safe, keep healthy as always. Hindi pa din tapos yung battle natin against the coronavirus or COVID-19. So, I wish everybody good health always. And Christmas is fast approaching also. I hope na for sure iba yung Christmas natin this year. But sana lang, I wish all na to have a good health lang for this Christmas. Yun lang naman talaga yung importante. So, once again, I hope you had a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully, I will see you all on my next video. Bye!